Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. This is Vaibhavi Sawant and let's start with today's headlines. BTC down 5%, ETH trades 8% lower as rate hike fear looms. India working to bring cryptocurrencies under GST net soon. India to await Financial Stability Board's report to decide on legality of crypto. Crypto exchange FTX not authorized in UK, financial watchdog warns. Yellow Card secures $40 million in Series B funding round. Australian senator proposes crypto bill targeting China's digital Yuan. Interpol might issue red notice to capture DogeCoin. Ethereum fork ETHPoW suffers bridge replay exploit. Solana outperformed Ethereum in daily transaction in Q2. The cryptocurrency market faces a sell-off ahead of US Federal Reserve's critical monetary policy meeting this week and experienced a considerable outflow despite the historic Ethereum, that is ETH, merge event that transitioned the blockchain to proof of stake, that is POS, status. Bitcoin fell to its lowest level in 3 months on Monday, was down 4.7% to trade at $19,062. The crypto market sell-off comes on the back of elevated fear that the Fed could go for a rate hike of 100 basis points instead of 75 basis points during its 2-day monetary policy meeting this week to tame spiraling inflation in the US. Higher borrowing costs are sapping the liquidity that crypto sector relies on. US equity futures were in the red and a dollar gauge pushed higher in signs of wider caution. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, was down by 7.3%, trading at $1,332, falling 24% in the last 7 days and continue to fall after the merge. The total value of cryptocurrency market plummeted 5.7% to $913 billion. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 6.5% at 27,000 points. India has begun work on a comprehensive indirect tax regime for crypto asset to plug any revenue loss to the exchequer due to the ambiguity around the true nature of these assets, report said. The Finance Ministry is working on a proposal to define the characteristic of cryptocurrencies, their usage and how they fit in existing legal framework, helping the GST rate setting body to fit the asset class under either 18% or 28% category, report said. The Indian government is awaiting the Financial Stability Board, that is FSB, report that is expected in October to take a call on whether to ban cryptocurrency transaction through wallets and will provide a legal framework for dealing with crypto trade in the country. The report will have guidelines on how the legal contours of India's cryptocurrency trade will take shape, said a senior government official. The FSB is also studying international precedents around cryptocurrency legislation, and its report is expected to guide India's legal policy to deal with concerns surrounding money laundering and terror funding around crypto trade that surfaced recently in India. The UK's financial watchdog has determined that cryptocurrency exchange FTX is not authorized to offer services to clients in the country. The FCA's registration for financial services now identifies FTX as an unauthorized firm. The notification added that FTX was pursuing UK clients without the necessary authorization and that organizations and persons offering, promoting or selling financial services or products in the country needed to be registered with and authorized by the FCA. A Pan-African cryptocurrency exchange, Yellow Card Financial, closed a $40 million Series B funding. The round was led by Polychain Capital with participation from Valar Ventures, Third Prime Ventures, Sozo Ventures, Castle Island Ventures, Fabric Ventures, DG Daiwa Ventures, the Raba Partnership, John Winner, Alex Wilson, Pat Duffy, and more. The company intends to use the funds to drive business growth, continue its expansion across the continent, develop new product innovations, and advance strategic partnership across Africa. Yellow Card, led by CEO and co-founder Chris Maurice, has launched in Nigeria in 2019 to make Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoins, and other cryptocurrencies accessible to anyone in Africa. The company announced its Series A fundraise of $15 million in August 2021. Lawmakers in major economies around the world are cautious of the implication of a widely used digital yuan. Earlier this year, 9 Republican senators in the US proposed a bill aimed at setting up rules and guidelines concerning the digital yuan. Bragg, a senator for the Australian state of New South Wales and a member of the opposition, proposes strict reporting requirements for banks that could potentially make the digital yuan available for use in Australia. China is currently running cross-border trials of a digital version of its sovereign currency. Through its proposed bill, Bragg also wants to set up licensing framework for crypto exchange, custody services, as well as issuers of stablecoins, which are cryptocurrencies pegged to the value of other assets like the US dollar or gold. South Korean prosecutors asked Interpol to issue a red alert against Kwon, the co-founder of Terraform Labs. Kwon's passport has been revoked and his Interpol red alert listing has already started, according to a prosecutor's office, which said that Kwon had not cooperated with the inquiry. The last resort employed by a law enforcement agency around the world to locate and detain a person pending extradition, surrender, or comparable legal action is an Interpol red notice. After repeated unsuccessful summonses issued by the prosecution, it was decided to issue a red notice. ETHPoW, the proof-of-work blockchain forked from Ethereum that went live shortly after Ethereum's transition to proof-of-stake, that is POS, last week, has fallen victim to a replay exploit that resulted in an extra 200 ETHW tokens being siphoned by the attacker. Blockchain security company BlockSec revealed that incident on Sunday, saying that the attack happened through a Omni bridge on the Gnosis chain. According to the security researchers, the attacker first transferred 200 WETH through the Omni bridge and then repaid the same message on the POW chain, getting an extra 200 ETHW. The creators of ETHW protocol acknowledged the occurrence, but they emphasized that the attack was not related to the ETHW blockchain and that it only had an impact on the Omni bridge, not the Ethereum proof-of-work network as whole. ETHW has seen trading at $5.49, down by 25%. That's it for today. This is Vaibhavi Sawant signing off. Keep watching 3.0 TV.